Good. Get it. Nice. Dribble. Foot. Good. Okay, we have a yellow here. Get ready. Good. And shush. Right? Okay, you got it. Yes. Got it. Nice. I know you have the Assi. Pipi. Abby Assi. Assi. Wait. Good. Good Assi. Okay. Nice. Good. Okay, wait. I know it's Assi. Stay. Pas bouger. Good. Here we go. Assi. Abby Assi. Good. Okay, we push it. Good. Good. Yes. Okay, you got it. Here. Abby, it's there. Nice. Good. Okay, there we go. Good. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Good. Nice. Go back and see. Assi. Abby Assi. Here, Assi. I know it's hard to be calm. Oh my goodness. Good, Assi. Good. Wait. Good. We have one more. Good. 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 Here we go. Wait, Assi. Wait. I know you're so smart. Good. Not yet. Assi. Assi. Good. Don't move. Don't move. Shush. Yes, you got it. Woohoo! Good. Good job. Okay, so this is Ivy. Good for nose work. So we just blocking her a little bit so she cannot see. And we do have 5 sections by colors: red, green, blue, yellow, and the last one is the white. The white one is the one I'm going to use for the birch. So I do have the birch. Good. I'm putting the birch inside and putting the cap on it. So we do have all 5 sections here. Good. Good. There we go. Great. Good. And we are going to ask. Ready? Yes, I know. Okay, ready? Shush. Good girl. Nice. Good girl. Very nice. Great. Good job. Okay, we're putting back Ivy on the crate. Come on, baby. Let's go back on the crate. There. A little bit here. And good. You can follow me. And we are going to switch. You can come here. And we are going to divide. I'm going to put the branch one on the number 1. Ready, Ivy? Shush. Good girl. Good. Yes. Show me again. Show me. Shush. Yes. Good girl. Nice. Great. Good. Let's go to do one more. Good. There you go, Heavy. Good. Ready? There. Okay, we are going to block her again. And good. We are going to take the one with the watch. When you come closer, take the one with the watch. And this time we are going to use case number 3. There we go. So it's number 3. Are you ready, Connie? Yes. Yes. Good. Calm down. I'm here. Good. Okay, place. Have you place? Good. Good. Ready? Shush. Yes. Good. Good girl. Yeah. Nice. Good. Great job. There we go. And cut. Good. Come back. Ready? Weave. 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 Nice. Good job. Nice. Good. Can we do one more?